Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add guitar tabs to your guitar videos using CapCut and guitarpro. After you recorded and filmed yourself, go open the tabs using guitarpro. Then go to View and change it to Screen Vertical so the tabs will show in one line. Then go to File, Preferences, Interface, and switch the Highlight Current Played bar off so later it will look better in the video. Zoom a little bit and screen record the tabs playing. Drop the screen record into your video in CapCut and remove the extra parts by looking at the soundbar of the recording. Crop the footage so it will show only the tabs and place it where you want it to show on the screen. The next step is to invert the image colors of the tab. To do so, go to Adjustments, then Curves, and flip the ends of the curves upside down. Now I know it may look even worse than before, but it is crucial for the next step that will make it look perfect and professional. Go back to Video, then Basic, and under Blend, choose the Screen option. Now it looks way better, but with little adjustments to your liking, it can look even better. Now all you have left to do is to synchronize the audio of the tabs with your video, and eventually remove the audio of the tabs, and you're all done.